Hello guys, welcome to another video by Technical Mac. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any image within just 3 seconds. So you might be surprised. So all it takes is just the use of one website, and that is remove.bg. So I'll just show you how. So let's just assume that we're going to take this image, this line and this girl's image over here. So we would be going to remove.bg. Once you go to remove.bg, go to upload image and select the image of the girl that you downloaded and the line, that image. Just click open. Once it's opened, just wait for it to upload. So probably will take like 1 to 2 seconds, and done. Your background is removed. Download it and you're good to go. Now just go check it in your downloads. Go to the first one. This is the removed one, the one with the background removed, and this is the original image. So you just saw that any image that you choose, the background can be removed easily within just like 2 to 3 seconds. Let's take another example and see if I want to remove the background of probably this image. So I'll just click on this. Once you have downloaded the image, all you have to do is go to remove.bg and let's say upload image and take another image, click open, and there you go. Within like 2 seconds, the BG is removed from that image as well. Just click on download, go to your downloads. There you can see the latest image. This is the image of the girl with the background removed, and this is the image of the girl with the background. So you can see within like 2 seconds, you just remove the background using remove.bg. It's very simple. No other software you need to use. You don't have to use like any complicated software like Photoshop or other designing tools to remove. It's all easy, and sometimes it might not work with backgrounds that are kind of like complicated. Maybe it might be blending in the image too much. If that's the case, this might not work, but ideally in almost all the scenarios this works wonderfully well. Let me know what you think about this, and guys, if you like the video, make sure to share the video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification, because you don't want to miss out on our regular giveaways and our kick-ass tips and tricks. Stay tuned guys, stay safe.